Good morning everyone. It's me Kavita Gurung, basic level coordinator as well as social teacher 4 up to 6. Welcome to you, and I will request our guardian and parents please comment, like, share in our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. Okay class, this is class 4 social online class. The lesson is 2.3. The name of lesson is My Heart Belongs to Birthplace. That's mean my heart belongs to birthplace. First I will go to word meaning. Look at the word meaning in the board. The facilities means services. Goods means products like grocery products, like vegetable products, etc. Fodder, grass to feed cattle. Those grass we are feed to cattle. Committee, a group of people organized for a same work. I already teach them in my class 6 on social classes in a community and society. Then I describe them. The group of people organized for the same work, and next is preserve, to save or protect, and the next is site, a place where something like building, temple, etc. is located. Now we are going to start lesson. In this lesson, Tapas Karki, who replied to his friend who asked them he like Kathmandu or not. He wrote the letter for reply letter. So what he write in this letter, I will read them first. Okay. Then the Tapas Karki wrote, starting he wrote the address Mahakal, Kathmandu, November 01, 2017. Dear Neeraj, thank you for your letter from Okhandunga. In your letter, you wrote to me that I may be very happy in Kathmandu. He asked them, Neeraj asked them to Tapas Karki, are you happy in Kathmandu? Then he replied them, why he replied them, he happy or not in Kathmandu, and he telling about their birthplace, why he liked the birthplace, and he also the facilities of their birthplace. Then the Tapas Karki wrote, I always think of my family and my village. Actually, I don't want to come to Kathmandu, but school in our village are not very good. So I had to come. The Tapas Karki said he not happy in Kathmandu. And he also not interested to going to Kathmandu, but in his village there is no good school for education. So he actually is going to education take for Kathmandu. Then he write you might think that Kathmandu is a big city. Yes, Kathmandu is a big city. There is buses and big roads and many people. So why should I be unhappy? He also asked them to his friend why he not happy in Kathmandu. The Kathmandu is a capital of Nepal, and there is a very big city. They have lots of facilities. They have big roads and buses services. So then they should be not happy, but the truth is Kathmandu is a big city, lots of facilities. I can't be happy because it is not my birthplace. The Tapas Karki said the Kathmandu is not his birthplace because he not belongs to Kathmandu. I can't happy because it is not my birthplace. One's birthplace is the dearest place of for person. He said also to his friend, everyone's birthplace like the dearest one, and like everyone here, they are the birthplace. Therefore, there is is a saying in a Sanskrit, Janini Janma Bhumisha Swargadapi Garyesi. He also said a little slok in there. The Sanskrit slok, Janini Janma Bhumisha Swargadapi Garyesi. The meaning is, mother and birthplace are greater than heaven. For me too, in Sanskrit slok, the tapas said also there, Janini Janma Bhumisha Swargadapi Garyesi. The meaning of English is, mother and the birthplace are greater than heaven. भनेको मतलब उहाँले के भन्न खोज्नु भएको छ, जन्म दिने आमा र जन्मिने ठाउँ चाहिँ स्वर्ग भन्दा पनि धेरै माथि हुन्छ भनेर धेरै माया लाग्ने हुन्छ हैन, धेरै हामीले त्यो धेरै माया लाग्छ भन्ने चाहिँ उहाँले संस्कृतमा पनि भन्नुभएको छ र प्लस इङ्ग्लिशमा पनि उहाँले डिस्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छ. So then, for me too, my village is the happiest place of all. He said also his birthplace is the happiest place of all. My village is Kerakunja. It is in a Gorkha district. He also said his birthplace is Kerakunja. It is located in a Gorkha district. Gorkha is a hilly district. Everyone know that the Gorkha is a hilly district. The villages are also live in hilly region. There is no road. There is not a proper road like a Kathmandu, but people have to carry goods from town to the village on the back. In the tapas villagers, they carry goods from goods from towns to the village on their back. Most of the villages are farmer. Everyone know that in the hilly regions, people mostly engaged in a farming, so agriculture. So tapas villagers also and tapas family also engage in a farming. They work in a field. All villagers are work in a field, and he also said, my father is also farmer. Tapas also said to his friend, my father is also farmer. He is not a very rich person, but he wants to study well and become to a good person in the future. Tapas family is not a rich family. Tapas belongs to a middle class family, but his father wants a good study. They want to be a good person and in a future. So he is sent to the Kathmandu Tapas for studies. Therefore, he has sent to me Kathmandu. My village has a beautiful forest. The tapas also described their birthplace, Gorkha district. He said in their village there are beautiful forests there. And medicines from there. He also said in the forest they get herbs and medicines also. He also get fodder for cattle and firewood for our household. I already told them what is the fodder meaning. Fodder is a grass to feed cattle. This type of some type of grasses to feed it by the cattle. And also he said he get also in a forest firewoods in our household. They mostly used in our firewoods to making foods in their homes. But the villagers do not cut trees carelessly. He also said that we are going to the forest. They get firewoods. They get fodders also. But they are not using the carelessly. They are not cut the trees carelessly. The villagers are very preserved. They take the preserve their forest in a future, and also they make a community. They also said there they have made a community that works to preserve the forest. They also make a community to preserve the forest and to their villages makes beautiful. There is a temple of Goddess Durga. He also said there is a temple of Goddess Durga. Every Saturday the villagers visit in the temple to worship and goddess. He also said that in the Tapas village there is a temple, the Durga's temples there, and every villager is going to Saturday and doing worship, and also they cleaning there and they maintain the temple. And a big river. He also said there is a big river flows by the village. A big river flows by the village. It is also called the Budi Gandaki river, and the river's name is Budi Gandaki river. Very soon, an electric project is going to be in our village. He also said that in the Budi Gandaki, they have established a hydropower project there, and they produce the electricity for the villagers. If that happens, it will make my village rich. Then he happily said that if the electricity came in my village, my village is richest village in my district. He said there, every villagers will be happy. Then all villagers will be happy if the electricity there came. We may live anywhere in the world. He also said that we live anywhere in the world. We should not forget our birthplace. Always, all are thinking there we are live anywhere, but we always think about our birthplace because we are attached them, because the birthplace is very greater than our heaven. He also said there we also love them, our birthplace, and their facilities and their place, the things we are loved them, we are attached them from our birthplace. So he also said that we are live anywhere in the world, but we should not forget our birthplace. भन्न खोजेको हामी देशको जुनसुकै हामी संसारको जुनसुकै कुनामा बसे पनि हामीले आफ्नो बर्थ प्लेसलाई, हामी जन्मस्थानलाई कहिले पनि बिर्सिनु हुँदैन. हामी सधैँ आफ्नो जन्मस्थानलाई के गरिरहेको हुन्छौँ, सम्झिरहेको हुन्छौँ, उहाँले माया गरिरहेको हुन्छौँ. चाहिँ तपाईले त्यस्तो भन्न खोजिरहेको छ यसमा. We should conserve the natural resources and preserve historical and cultural sites. He also said it's our responsibility to conserve our natural resources and preserve our historical and cultural sites also. हामीले हाम्रो प्राकृतिक सम्पदालाई पनि बचाउनुपर्छ, हाम्रो ऐतिहासिक चीजहरूलाई पनि बचाउनुपर्छ र हाम्रो सांस्कृतिक चीजहरूलाई पनि हाम्रो बचाउनुपर्छ भन्ने तपस्ले चाहिँ त्यस्तो भन्नुभएको छ. अनि जो हाम्रो रिस्पोन्सिबिलिटी पनि हो कि हामीले आफ्नो बर्थ प्लेसमा हुने जति पनि हाम्रो ऐतिहासिक चीजहरू, हाम्रो नेचुरल चीज मतलब हाम्रो प्राकृतिक चीजहरू, हाम्रो कल्चर भनेको हाम्रो सांस्कृतिक चीजहरूलाई हामीले बचाउनुपर्छ, हाम्रो एउटा जीवित राख्नुपर्छ. उहाँको भनाइ दिन्छ. They are the properties of our village. Yes, it is our properties of village. It is properties of our village. After I pass SEE, I plan to study science and become a doctor. उहाँले के भन्नुभएको छ, आफ्टर मैले जब मैले SSE को एक्जाम पास गरेर जान्छु अनि म एउटा डक्टर बनेर उहाँ चाहिँ फेरि फर्केर आफ्नो गाउँतिर जान्छु भन्नुभएको छ. Because then I will return to my own village. I will open the health clinic and serve my village. उहाँको सपना कति राम्रो छ. उहाँले के भन्नुभएको छ कि उहाँ चाहिँ डक्टर बनेर उहाँ फेरि फर्केर आफ्नो गाउँतिर जानुहुन्छ र उहाँ एउटा हेल्थ क्लिनिक खोलेर अनि एउटा स्वास्थ्य. Yes, after he passed SSC, he planned to study science and become a doctor. Then I will return to my own village. I open a health clinic and serve my village. उहाँले भन्नुभएको छ एसएससी पास गरेपछि उहाँ चाहिँ एउटा साइन्स लिएर उहाँ चाहिँ एउटा डक्टर बन्न चाहनुहुन्छ अनि डक्टर बनिसकेपछि उहाँले के भन्नुभएको छ, ऊ चाहिँ फेरि फर्केर आफ्नो गाउँमा जाने अनि गाउँमा गइसकेपछि उहाँले के भन्नुभएको छ, उहाँले एउटा स्वास्थ्य उपचार केन्द्र खोल्ने विचार गर्नुभएको छ र आफ्नो भिलेजरहरूलाई, आफ्नो गाउँको मानिसहरूलाई, गाउँको मान्छेहरूलाई उहाँले के गर्नुहुन्छ, उपचार गरेर आफ्नो सेवा प्रदान गर्नुहुन्छ भन्नुभएको छ उहाँले. आई विल भेरी ह्याप्पी एट माई ओन प्लेस. उहाँले चाहिँ के भन्नुहुन्छ कि म धेरै खुसी हुँला म आफ्नो बर्थ प्लेसमा आफ्नो ठाउँमा गइसकेपछि, मैले त्यस्तो काम गरेपछि, मैले आफ्नो देश आफ्नो गाउँवासीहरूलाई चाहिँ त्यस्तो सेवा प्रदान गरेपछि मलाई धेरै खुसी लाग्ला भनेर उहाँको सपना उहाँले अहिले बुनिसक्नुभएको छ, अहिले प्लान गरिसक्नुभएको छ. सो ही also said that please write to me about your village in detail. He also asked them to his friend. He also write about the village in detail. जस्तो उहाँले लेख्नु भएको छ आफ्नो भिलेजको बारेमा त्यस्तै उहाँले आफ्नो साथीसित नि भनिराख्नु भएको छ कि तपाईले पनि मलाई त्यसरी लेखेर पठाउनुहोस्, मैले पनि तिम्रो गाउँको बारेमा बुझ्न चाहन्छु भनेर. So with love, तपस कार्की. यति भन्दै उहाँले आफ्नो पत्र के गर्नुभयो, एन्ड गर्नुभयो। एन्ड क्वेसन नम्बर 2 इज राइट अ प्याराग्राफ अबाउट योर बर्थ प्लेस। Okay, class 4, we are know about today's birth. Today, my heart belongs to my birthplace. In this lesson, we know about why the Tapas like his birthplace, why he not happy in a Kathmandu, and what he facilities in his village, and what his future plan. He also said that. So I hope you understand the lesson also, and you also love your birthplace, and also you can plan in a future what we do for your birthplace. Okay, class, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Please send the homework on Messenger and Max Connect app.